At the beginning of COVID-19, we called our essential workers heroes because they were on the front lines caring for our clients. At TrueCare, we are preparing our home health aides for the next wave, so we are ready for what may come. We provide COVID-19 essential packages to all our home health aides to ensure they are outfitted with the proper measures to keep themselves and our clients safe. Our caregivers are heroes, diligently working through the onset of the coronavirus pandemic, and continue to nurture and maintain a safe environment for our clients. They are the heroes. We provide the capes. Join the fight against COVID-19 and become one of the heroes in our homes.